Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class of accountancy. Dear students, we have discussed first 29 question of the chapter change in profit sharing ratio. So today we will start from question number 30. First, read the statement. A, B and C are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio equal. They are the equal partners. They decided to share profits in the ratio of 3-4-5 और उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया है कि दे विल शेयर द प्रॉफिट्स इन द रेशो 3-4-5-9 3-4-5. On that date, profit and loss shows a credit balance of rupees 90,000. Credit balance of profit and loss mean this is the profit. Partners do not want to distribute the profit and loss. Partners उसको distribute नहीं करना चाहते हैं, तो pass journal entry. Here I want to tell you that if they decided to distribute it, then they will distribute the profits in the old ratio, but in this question they don't want to distribute now because it is given in the statement. So what will you do? Students, listen carefully. If they do not want to distribute, then we will have to give an adjustment entry, and the adjustment entry will be in the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Who will sacrifice due to change in profit sharing ratio, he will get the amount, and who will gaining, he will give the amount. Okay, so see, old ratio of partners A, B and C was 1-1-1. New ratio is 3-4-5. Calculation of sacrificing ratio, we have seen that A sacrifice 1/12, B neither sacrifice nor gain, ना तो वो sacrifice कर रहा है ना ही वो gain कर रहा है, तो ना ही तो वो डेबिट होगा देने वाला ना वो लेने वाला. C 1/12 ही इज गेनिंग, तो जो गेन करता है पार्टनर ड्यू टू चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, ही विल गिव द अमाउंट. तो हेयर यू में सी द एंट्री. सी इज कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. अमाउंट हो जाएगी आपकी 7,500. हाउ इट इज़ कैलकुलेटेड? जो 90,000 के जो प्रॉफिट्स हैं उनमें हमने सेक्रीफाइसिंग और गेनिंग में एडजस्ट किया है, एंड यू विल सी दैट 2A's कैपिटल विल बी क्रेडिट. एडजस्टमेंट आप इसके नीचे देख सकते हो, नरेशन ये नीचे इसकी दे रखी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 31. XYZ were partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio 5:3:2. Dear students, here I want to tell you one thing, that the question is, if it is not visible, clearly visible from the video, then you may see the statement from your book because it is also there, and you may see the solution from this video. 5:3:2 is the old ratio. They decided to share future profits in the ratio 2:3:5. The old ratio was 5:3:2 and the new ratio is 2:3:5 with effect from 1st April 2017. उन्होंने कब डिसाइड किया ये? 1st April 2017 को. They decided to record the following without affecting the books. Without affecting the books का मतलब है कि they don't want to distribute it. किस किस को नहीं बांटना चाहते वो? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस को और एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस को. So dear students, first of all, I want to tell you that profit and loss account is given only. No balance is mentioned in this question. We don't know that this is profit or this is loss. So in absence of any information, it will be treated as the profit. Okay, so keep it in mind. And advertisement suspense, this is the loss that will be debited. So we will have to calculate the balance of 24 and 12,000. But before calculating the balance, we will have to calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. And while calculating these ratio, we found that X sacrifice 3/10 and Z gain 3/10. Here in this question also, Y neither sacrifice nor gain, ना ही वो दे रहा है ना ही वो ले रहा है, ना ही उसके रेशियो में इंक्रीज़ हुआ है और ना ही वो डिक्रीज़ हुआ है. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि हमें बैलेंस निकालना पड़ेगा प्रॉफिट का और लॉस का. जो हमारा एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस है, डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस? जो हमने एडवर्टीजमेंट पे कलेक्टिवली अमाउंट स्पेंड कर रखी है उसको हम ईयर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं, हर साल अपने प्रॉफिट्स को कम करते हैं उससे. तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस में 24 हैं और एडवर्टीजमेंट सस्पेंस के आपके 12,000 हैं। तो यू मे सी द बैलेंस इज 12,000। अब ये जो 12,000 का क्रेडिट बैलेंस आपका बचा हुआ है, इट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द गेनिंग एंड सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशो। इन फैक्ट इट विल बी एडजस्टेड। Z's capital account debit. Why Z is debited? Because Z is gaining due to change in profit sharing ratio, and X will be credited because he is sacrificing due to change in profit sharing ratio. So these are the question number 30 and 31. We will do the remaining questions tomorrow. Okay, so you will have to do these questions in your fair notebook also. Till then, bye, be safe.